Hey guys, Monkside here, and today I'll be showing you how to manage, create, and update your game on Roblox Studio. Before we get the video started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys aren't yet, make sure to go leave a like, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, so the first step would be to know what you want your Roblox game to be, and that you have an idea before you start any scripting or model making on your Roblox game. The next step is to go on to Roblox Studio. Keep in mind you have to know how to script and model make on Roblox Studio before you start any game. After that, you can start to make your game and make sure that it looks nice so players will stay in your game and actually enjoy what they're playing. At the same time, make sure you are spending enough time actually making the stages or whatever your game is before you make it look nice and all. Make sure to take your game seriously. Take it step by step. If you rush to get your game done and barely spend any time on it, there's a good chance it will not be fun to play. Keep in mind, players who come want to try your game out. Make sure it's fun and that they come back to play more. It's also important that your game can be played on different devices. If it's only one device, then you're not going to get much visits. Before you publish your game to Roblox, it's important that you have a good thumbnail so players will be attracted to your game. If you have no thumbnail or a really poor one, then players will think your game is bad. First impressions really matter. At this point, if your game is fun to play and enjoyable, you can start advertising your game. You can do this by hopping into a Roblox game and asking people to join. Make sure to target people that you think will like your game. For example, don't go hop into Adopt Me and ask someone to play a first-person shooting game. Maybe go and join Arsenal and ask somebody. If you have some Robux, you may want to consider advertising your game on the Roblox website. You can do this by going into your game and clicking the three dots on the top and selecting the sponsored game. Once players start coming in and like your game, they will start to come back. This means that you're making progress on getting players to join your Roblox game. It also means that it's fun to play. Nice job. When your game starts attracting players on its own, and you have a good amount of visits on your game, you can add special features like game passes or gear so your players can purchase them for Robux, but make sure they are a reasonable price or no one will buy them. Make sure to update your game. Players will get bored of the same thing over and over again, and you will lose your views fast. Try to update at least once a month, even if it's something small like a new skin or quest. It's also important that you have a plan on what your update will be, and that it's not just something off topic from your game that will cause you to lose viewers. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.